Alright, people, you know what time it is. This is the latest video from Joe Just Don't Give a Fuck. Alright? This video, I'm gonna have to apologize for in advance, after, in the beginning, in the middle, whatever the fuck you want to call it. This one's not gonna be a nice one. May get a lot of people upset. You know, there'll be a lot of things said about it. But I'm gonna go ahead and say, I don't give a fuck. But what you're going to see in the video, I definitely don't condone on people. Okay? Someone said the word. Someone put it in my head to make a video about it. So therefore I'm going to do it. Okay? Sometimes people just say things on Facebook or in life. Maybe they're not in life because they know they get their head smashed. But they think they can talk on keyboards and be all tough and everything. But realistically, you're just a chump. But anyway, so this video is gonna be for that person. And plus, I just don't give a fuck. So here we go. Let me drink some beer first because it could be kind of messed up. Oh, by the way, go Trump. God bless America. Gonna make sure I get that out of the way too. Anyways, go ahead and turn this camera around if I can. Oh no, it's not gonna let me. Well, hell. Okay. As you can see here, we got a snakehead. His head covered over. I'm fixing to do a hoover action on him. Just for you, buddy. Just because you said so. See if I can get this video on here right for all your viewing pleasure. Hoovers. Now, I'll go ahead and turn this around. I don't believe it in beheaded anything, but snakehead for you. What do you think about that? Fucking beheaded snakehead. As always, twist it out. If you don't like the video, don't watch it.